Today I came to visit one outlet called Prime Beauty Concept. This comes in a street called OTC Road, which comes nearby SP Road, which comes in Bengaluru, India, and it comes in a complex called Lucia City Center Complex. So this is a complex, and in second floor you can just check there is Prime Beauty Concept that comes in second floor in this complex, Prime Beauty Concept. And one landmark is this Sharda Takis. So you can just check on the right hand side there is Sharda Takis. This is a complex. In this complex, in second floor, you have to go. So here, his outlet is there. You can just check Prime Beauty Concepts, spa and saloon furniture equipments. You will get here in second floor. So this is the address, and this is the outlet. You can just have a look. These are total wholesale priced saloon equipments. You will get spa equipments. You will get A to Z. You will get very nice outlet and very big outlet. Lot of varieties you will get here. It's a wholesale outlet. You're getting for wholesale price. You can just have a look at the outlet, very big outlet, lot of varieties of saloon chairs, equipment, furnitures, everything you'll get here. You can just have a look at here, and you can just check here. They have wide range of collections here of chair. So if you want any more detail, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all the details. So right now I'm going to show you the saloon chairs that they're having. You will get basic also, you will get premium also. You can just check. These are the collections. The collection keeps getting updated. They supply to lot of part of saloon, lot of part of South India and all, and they're into this business for many years. So if you're looking for saloon chairs, this is one of the best place. You can also see how it looks. The entire outlook of the chair is like this. You can just have a look. Like this it looks. Different materials these are. Small, big, medium, all you will get kits also here. You can just have a look. Nice collections, very nice. And the best part is they have lot of designs. You can just have a look. Also some samples you can just check of saloon chairs. Lot of varieties are there, and you will get basic range, mid range, premium range, all types of saloon chairs you will get here. Even if you want for spa, saloon, anything you want, you can contact them. Saloon furniture also you'll get. Just have a look. Different fabric, different designs of saloon chairs. Wholesale outlet this is. You're getting for wholesale price. Same thing if you buy in other place, 20, 30, 35%, 40% will be more. But here you're getting for wholesale price. These are also some samples. Just have a look. Different designs, colors, shape, varieties. Like this also you'll get here. And if you want the regular chairs for customer clients in saloon and all, that also you'll get complete furniture, saloon equipment, complete A to Z saloon products you'll get. You'll also get hair dryer and saloon products and all you'll get. So like this also you'll get here. If you want, you can just have a look. Lot of varieties you'll get in this also. Lowest price, mid price, high range, everything you'll get. Even if you want for kids like this, that also chairs you'll get here. So one of the best for saloon. This is the outlet. You can come here, try. Lot of people they come. Lot of people they buy from YouTube, Instagram here. If you want these kind of chairs with washable basins, you can just see this option is also there. This is also one more saloon product. Manicure, pedicure, all those kind of equipments also you'll get here. You can just have a look. This comes with basin, different shape. This is also one more. You can just see extendable. You can extend it. Basin is here, and this is different color. You can just see, and this is also here. So these kind of sofa with washable basins for hairs, this also you'll get here. And if you want something premium, high quality, more better quality, then these are those equipments you can just see. And the basins, taps also you can just see, completely different, very big basins. Easily you can keep the head also properly. And just check this. This is a premium one, very big size with all the saloon, usable for saloon only. And like this the stand will come. You can just see like this stand also comes, and this is how it is. Looks amazing. This is also for hair washing. You can just see this is also one more design. And again these are samples. You can just check here. Nice collections here. This all is, just see. This is all the collections, very nice designs. And like this entire set also comes. You can just see which set it's coming here. This is also here. Just check. Nice. This all is nice. So this also you will get here with entire set. The saloon chairs, for washing leg, all these things, basins, taps. You can see the space also. Ample space you're getting here. Just check. And this entire set you will get here. And if you want saloon furniture, complete, I told you, furniture, you can just see from manicure, pedicure, everything, nail art, all those furnitures you'll get here. You can just see that table is also there, drawer will be there like this, very nice. Yeah, quality is also very nice. Switch, charging, everything is here for customers. So like this it comes, and there is a drawer also, you can just check here. Like this, drawers will come. Nice space, quite lot of space is there. So these are furniture. This is also here. These are few more samples you can just see for washing hairs. See the seat design, colors, quality is nice, durable product. Lot of varieties are there. You can just have a look at the basin space, head space. So nice colors, very comfortable also. You can just see, and they supply to lot of saloons. They supply in India. So one of the best place. So if you're opening saloon, or you are already into existing business of saloon, you want to buy something, you can come here and check. I'm sure you'll love the collections. Superb. This is for saloon, and this all is steam equipment. You can just have a look. Like this, all steam equipment and all you will get here. Just check this. Like this, all the equipments you will get here. You can just check. This also you'll get. In this also there are quite lot of varieties. These are also some more samples. You can just have a look. These are also some more samples. Like this you will get. And then these are also some more samples. Just check different equipments of saloon. This all are the equipments. Price, you WhatsApp them. They'll tell you the business also gets affected. And this is also one more product. You can just have a look. This is one more. You will get basic made, high range with technology, different technology products you will get here. Get those kind of equipments where hardly you will get in any other part of saloons. As much as I have seen, maybe you must be getting, but I am seeing here. But you can just see this equipment, all high-end equipment, international equipments also. So all are massage chairs. You can just check massage bed. So if you want massage bed also, you will get regular one also. You will get with equipment also. These are all massage bed, and there is a drawer also. You can just see here. There is a drawer system also. You can just close. Drawer system is there. And here, if you just see, there is certain provision given here for massage bed. So like this also you will get over here. And this is a high-end shower room. You can just see. So if you want something like this exclusive, even if you want to buy for yourself, for your home also, not just for saloon, if you want to buy that also you'll get like this. And you can just see here, lot of different things are here. Shower is there. So it's a very high-end product. So if you're interested, you can contact. Like this, complete vanity kits also you will get here. In this also you have lot of varieties. I'll open and show you. There are also some sample of vanity kits. You can just have a look. Pink color, different colors. If you want like this in bag also, bag material you will get here. If you want something hard material like this also option you'll get. And if you want saloon products like flushing the water, spraying the water, that equipment, comb. If you want comb also, comb you will get. You will also get these kind of combs. You can just see, and you will also get scissors, saloon scissors also you will get, clips also you will get. This all are comb, different combs. You can just see roller also you will get, roller comb, different. You just come here or WhatsApp them, they'll send you all detailed. Clips also you will get. You can just see this all are the clips. This is brush, like this brush also you will get here. And if you want comb, these kind of combs also, this also you will get. You will get branded also. If you want regular also you will get here. These kind of combs, scissors also you will get. And you can just see if you want hair dryer also you will get here. Complete equipments also you will get here. You can just have a look. This hair dryer, lot of whatever, straightening machine, whatever you want in saloon, for spa, everything they have, including furniture also. If you want that also, you can contact them. That also you will get here. You can just see these kind of products you will get. Different products. Just have a look. And apart from this, like this, you can just see for spraying water. These kind of bottles also you will get here. Different shape, different size, different ml. You can just see, and also you'll get like this dummy and all for any institute. Going to show you the vanity box. You can just have a look. In this also quite lot of varieties they have. This is just a sample. So like this it comes. Different provisions are there for vanity kits. Just see like this. Mirrors also you'll get with lights, digital mirrors. So if you want like this digital mirrors also, you'll get also one more bag. This in the cloth form, you can just see. So if you want something like this, if you don't want like that, both options are there. Both is good. And this also you can remove. You can just see here.